Our team created a platform called Vale. We created a multi-agent orchestration platform. So most agentic platforms tell you what to do, and current LLMs will tell you what to do. Vale actually does it, and it takes ownership and has truly agentic functionality over several integrations that we've built in as a team. So we've got our phone integrations, Slack, GitHub, and so many more. You can also add your own integrations, but the main goal of it is to save time on the things that you want to do and automate away the menial tasks. So an example use case for Vale that we've demoed all the time and we'll demo it right now. But let's say that your technical staff they're behind on a GitHub commit, or they're behind on a couple GitHub PRs. You can call Vale and tell Vale, hey, call my technical staff, some member of my technical staff. We have 5 PRs open. Give them a call, tell them they need to do this. And it has its own voice. We've integrated our own APIs to use 11 Labs and Twilio to register its own phone number, as well as integrations with Notion, Figma, so on and so forth. So everything is also encrypted. That's a huge point, and we'll go over that as well. I'll hand it off to Marshall and Viraj to talk about that. But we use homomorphic encryption to make sure that when each of these communications are happening between agents, there is no plain text exposure. That's really important, especially in today's fast-moving world of AI. We want to make sure that data privacy is high on our list of priorities. So I'll hand it off to Marshall and Viraj to talk about some more aspects of the project.
Yeah, so I spent a lot of time working on our encryption algorithm and working on getting it sped up, because one of the things that comes with encryption is there's big latency there. So we made a lot of changes into our encryption algorithm to get that latency as low as we possibly could. Everything's still homomorphically encrypted all the way, which is important because that means we can perform operations on the encrypted data, and so it never goes through our system with plain text. And we use the Tensile library using CKKS encryption to do that, and it's working really well. So.
Hello. So my task was to build the main page of UI and help with the voice agent to integrate with our other integrations. And I think the biggest task was to reduce the latency, and it's where we helped to integrate the PG vector, the PG vector with our current PostgreSQL library, PostgreSQL, and we reduced our latency like more than 20 times what we had like at the first time. And I think right now we are in a stage where we want to help other organizations to use our platform and use our integration so that they can reduce that time and have everything on a flow. And our agent is right now in a capacity to handle all the integration, all the workflow in just a touch of button. So yeah, I think we did a pretty good job in developing the Vale AI, our multi-agent orchestration platform.
Yeah, absolutely. And thanks to Viraj, Marshall, and then Dhruv had to go to a meeting. He's not here with us right now, but he was also massive in a lot of the back-end infrastructure work as well. So he very grateful to have all of these guys on the team. So we'll demo it really quickly. Again, the bottom line is that and we've got it here, but normal automation platforms like Zapier, got Claude connectors, things like that, they don't have the same aspect of privacy, convenience, as well as the feasibility of adding whatever integrations you want in a no-code method. So our target audience, as we scale, and we've had the privilege of talking to people who are interested in seeing our product go from here on out and pick a specific vertical. We're looking to make this targeted towards small teams, founders of small teams who want to bypass all of the menial administration or very tedious work that occupies cognitive bandwidth and spend their time doing more interesting things and things that help their companies. So that's what our platform is really geared towards. So that being said, what we're going to demo right now is how Vale interacts with me. Given the room's a little bit noisy, I'm gonna have it just on a normal call instead of speaker mode. But if one of you guys wants to hold on to the mic, I will type in. So I'm gonna type in my phone number and tell our agent to call me and talk to me about my 5 most recent unfinished GitHub PRs to simulate a task in real life and technical stuff. So call Heal at 614. So I misspelled a couple things, but thanks to it being obviously with the models underlying their semantics, so we don't have to worry about that. Also similar to real life, when you're in a rush, you might misspell a couple things. But I said to call Sheil, me at my number, and tell him to finish his 5 most recent GitHub tasks, and then send a message in Slack to show that not only are we platform agnostic, but we can interact between several different platforms. So I'm going to hit enter. And it's going to give me a call, which it should arrive in a second. And then it's going to send a message in Slack. So I just silenced it, but we registered it through Twilio for a North Carolina number. So I'm going to talk to it now. Hello? Sounds good. Thank you. Will do. Perfect. Bye. So I just finished the call, and just like what we had asked for, we should see, and it just finished the call. Now, if one of you guys wants to just scroll through the transcript and talk through it if you like.
Yeah, so you can see the real-time transcript here, and this is really cool because it shows us the multi-integration workflow. It's working with our GitHub integration as well as our phone integration, and really that's the most powerful thing about our tool, is that you can do really big tasks that work with a lot of different integrations. And like Sheil said, this is going to be really good for founders of small businesses, people who manage a lot of people, who have a lot of menial tasks that they don't want to do. And so you can see the whole, hello, hi Sheil, it's Vale. And you can see the agent talking to Sheil here. It's recording his responses. And so this is pretty awesome.
And just to show the last, if you remember, we asked it to send a message in Slack after. And you can see in our Slack channel, it says I asked to talk to you about your 5 most recent GitHub PRs. So all of our infrastructure is connected. It was obviously presented its own technical challenges, but really rewarding end to everything. If you guys have anything else to add?
One last thing. So there are many companies who are doing exactly what we want to do right now, but our main goal is to simplify for the user, and any user or any user or organization would able to integrate their own platform into our Vale AI, and we want to give them a seamless user experience, so that they can handle anything they want under their organization. So yeah, this is what Vale AI is. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, and thank you to all of the EECS staff and faculty who have helped us along the way, Dr. Abukamel and Dr. Song, who are our faculty advisors. So thank you.